This is number 18 from our proof packet. I've got my proof statement, my givens, and my diagram. Pause and copy them if you haven't. Alright, an isosceles triangle OSE with legs OS and OE. Well, we know that isosceles triangles mean congruent legs, and that's actually one of our properties. So why don't we start with that right away? I guess I should probably mark my other givens first. NS congruent to ET and NO congruent to OT. Sorry, I got a little anxious about the isosceles triangle. So again, if triangle OSE is isosceles, we know that the legs OS and OE have to be congruent, and that is a conjecture on our sheet that if isosceles triangle, then the legs are congruent. And we need our specific legs, part of the then statement being congruent, are OS congruent to OE. Then I can go ahead and mark those. OS congruent to OE. Well, look at that. We've already got side, side, and side, ONS being congruent to OTE. This is a pretty simple proof then. We've got an SSS situation. One side, two sides, three sides. Out comes from the SSS box my triangle congruency statement that triangle ONS is congruent to triangle OTE. So sometimes they're a little bit easier, didn't even need a diagram step there, and I am all done.